So today we're going to be doing a boxing and unviewing of the Meteor 65 Pro. Now I'm going to break this up into a few sections. All right, here we go. All right, so now we are going to start the TBS Crossfire binding process. I know everything is ELRS these days, so I thought I would take the time to review this, open this, set it up as it comes. The only thing I've changed or taken out is the batteries, a couple of the ones that I'm charging. I have a ton of tattoo type tattoo batteries, the BetaFPV batteries, but I'm gonna give it what they intended to fly with, I guess. I don't know. Comes with one extra pair of props, and then some stuff at the top. I'm sure you guys have seen it in a bunch of videos. If you need any more help, let me know. So we're gonna go into the section where we bind the TBS Crossfire receiver. Okay, so if you have TBS Crossfire and it's not an SPI, there's only I think one SPI, which is the BLV4. Yep, so this is the 65 millimeter. You have your little receiver right there. I guess we're gonna bind it. I'm gonna bind it the way that everyone should. That's going into the Lewis script. You're gonna wanna go to TBS Agent Light. Sorry if you can't see this. And then just go to, once you plug it in, it should pick up. You're just gonna literally hit bind. And then you're gonna come over here, right next to this bind button, right between the antenna UFL and between the UFL and the red button, you're gonna hit the bind button. And the red light, you're gonna hit the bind button. And it's gonna be binding right now, and it's gonna immediately ask to update Nano RX. This is when you would hit yes. And then you just wait. Preferably, if you can put it in a fan, that'd be better. So we're gonna wait while this bind receiver updates. And the 65 this is like my only, this one and then a few of the other like Frankenwhoops that I've tried to build out of it, but it's either the EDSC or the VTX. It's giving me an issue on the other ones. And I really just wanted to give a true from BetaFPV feeling. 96, 97, 98%. Now it says RX is loading after the, but this is for TBS Crossfire, so that's literally all you have to do. You go into the Lewis script, or you go on the back, press bind, so it goes into binding mode. Once again, go between this light and this UFL corrector, hit the bind, and that's all you do. It's gonna say update, and then you just hit it again on either the low script button or the back button, and then you're done. And then once it goes solid green and you're like done, you should have telemetry, and then you go to shut it off. There we go.